Have you got cupboards full of broken sensor mats just like this? Hopeless. Here's the new generation. Wireless, very light, flexible and virtually unbreakable. For chairs, there is the Seatgard. Seatgard can be placed at the back of the seat cushion to provide an early intervention for residents that slide out of chairs, or you can use the Seatgard behind the shoulders on the back of the chair to detect residents who push up and fall forwards out of a chair. And for beds, it's really important to look at the pattern of how the resident falls or exits the bed, so we can determine which is the best pad to use and the best position to use it. So we've got the bed pad here, placed under the shoulders or the torso. This is ideal for a resident who sits up in bed before they exit. If we move the bed pad down to the heels or the leg zone, this is ideal for a resident who swings their legs off the bed and sits on the edge before exiting. And for a person who is at very high risk of falls, it might be interesting to consider using the seat pad at the side of the bed, and so that the resident is only partly lying on it. This provides much more sensitivity, as they don't have to move far at all before the pad alarms. To complete the family, we've got the wireless Motiongard, and this is ideal for using in places where a pad isn't suitable. So you can use these to monitor doorways and bathrooms, and in places where there's a risk of tampering with a pad. And the Motiongard provides a very accurate blade of vertical or horizontal motion detection. One thing we should point out though is it has a 9-meter range, so it needs to be aimed away from windows, because things like curtains and trees blowing in the wind will trigger an alert. Now what do I do with this?